Welcome back to my channel. This is a throwback video, as they say, of the time we rode to Felixstowe in Suffolk. The plan was actually to ride to Harwich in Essex, where my journey to Norway started back in 2020. But we took the wrong turn and mixed up the towns. We'll go to Harwich next time. This is when I still had my awesome 2011 Honda CBR 1000 RR Fireblade with me. I'll own a similar bike one day, if not the same bike. I loved it. Now you might be asking why I'm uploading this video. I want to kind of promote Felixstowe, as it draws a lot of tourists and has traditional seaside offerings such as what you see on the screen at the moment. Felixstowe Pier, the seafront gardens, and there's also the Forum Amusement Centre. That is a nice picture. There's also a lovely Ocean Boulevard, as well as Manning's Amusements. Enjoy the video.